Belt drive is one of the solutions that have been an Ilsbo characteristic since 1989. One of the main advantages with belt drive is that the belt absorbs shock loads applied through the chains and then protects the hydraulic motor. Lifetime of critical components will increase and there will be less downtime on the machine. If there is a breakdown, it will mostly be belts that are both cheap and simple to replace. The H160HD are now reinforced with a sturdy box construction to make it more durable. These solutions make it suitable for rocky and challenging cutting environments. These products have had many areas of use and can be fitted to many different carriers. The hydraulic models placed on an arm makes sure you can work both close to the carriers but also extended high and low. On the Ilsbo machines, we are using chain technology as the cutting technology. The biggest advantage is that it is possible to cut bushes and scrub wood up to 10 centimeters in diameter.